Hello everybody. I just wanted to do a little video on Math Trek 123 to show you how it works and how I use it in my classroom. This is on all our board computers, which is very handy. Any kid can access it at any time. As a teacher, you can set up your own class so that students have their individual profile. The only thing I don't like about this is it's not available on their home computers. I teach grade 3 prep every other day, and we do a lot of math stuff in there as our school goal is to, based around math this year. So I just want to take you through this to show you how it works. So students would log in onto the program, they'd click their teacher's name, and on the right hand side here they would find their name, click on that, and they could go. The good thing about this is each student has an individual profile, and you can pick sorry, I shouldn't say you can't pick games, but you can follow their progress, see where they're struggling, see what they're completing, and so on. So for today's example, we'll just use a sample. We'll use Leslie Park. Fibonacci is the character, this bear here, that will greet all the children. It does speak to you, it does read questions to you, and it does give you hints. So students who are struggling readers or just a little bit lower, this program is great for them. These toy cases here, or shelves, they're broken up into the strands in mathematics. So we have data management, geometry, measurement, number sense, enumeration, and patterning and algebra. So students, whatever it aligns with whatever you're doing in class. So right now I'm working on the kids with number sense, and it also breaks it into the grades. So somebody who's in kindergarten that may be a little bit advanced could try some grade 1 stuff, but it lets the students kind of pick and choose where they want to go. And obviously it gets a little challenging as the grades go on. So we'll go with grade 3, and then you click on one of the toys or animals, and it gives you a little bit of an introduction on how this works. So it says visitors from another world. Students will count by 5s using multiples of 5s at different starting points. At the bottom here, you can see that I've attempted it 2 times, and it will tell you beside here how many times you've completed it. Sorry about the announcements there. So we will click on this alien guy, and then we have Fibonacci again. This one's called Visitors from Around the World, and as I said earlier, students will count by 5s using multiples of 5s starting at different points. So if the sound was on, you could hear Fibonacci, and he will explain how this game works and what you can do. So what he's saying right now is on this spaceship there's going to be a number that will come down to the open number line, and on this ship it's going to send out aliens with 5 eyeballs on each single space. Students will write in the number counting up by 5. So the number right now is 950, so that's going to go down there. Okay, and then if you click on the other spaceship, it's going to eventually send out some aliens here. So I'll click on that. Alright, and then this is just kind of like a manipulative that helps them. 950 is your starting point. You can count by 5s, count by 2, and then add on a 3, whatever it is, and students fill it in on this open number line here. So once it loads up here, we'll do one together, and we will do it. So obviously this is a little easy for us, but we may make a mistake. You never know. Let's say I put in 964. Okay, and we'll see what happens. And that would be 970. Oops. Guess it's a little more challenging than I thought. Then we click on the done button, and it says, uh-oh, let's try again. Okay, so one of these are wrong. Okay, I know it's this one. Oh, I missed a number. Okay, and I think I'm done now. Great counting. He's happy, I'm happy, and we move on to the next stage. So it'll start with another number. So this is Math Trek. Again, there are different games. It's very user friendly. It's very student friendly. There's lots of games, and the cool thing is some of them have some extension activities that they can do. I really like using this with groups to maybe start a lesson. They can play a little game to get their minds on, and then we can go into whatever we are studying. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I hope to give you a little introduction into MathTrek. Thank you.